Hi friends, welcome to my channel Davi and Rishal. Today I'm not cooking, but today I'm outside of the house to see the view, to feel the fresh air. And Davi, I'll introduce who is Davi today. This is Davi. Davi, say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Remember me?
This is Davi, and this is Rishal having her bread.
Anyone
Okay,
remember me?
today Davi going to cycle his bicycle, his new bicycle. And then this is the view of the house, very nice. Got mountain there, got pond there, and we can see the playground over there. And then some of the guys having some activities around that, playing ball. In Malaysia we call sepak takraw. Okay, this is the view, evening view. It's around 7. What's the time, Risha? 7:25 right now. So now let's see Davi going to ride his bicycle. Davi, you can ride your bicycle.
Yes. No, what is that?
See now Davi is going. He's still new, so he having his new bicycle with the training wheels on. Now Davi is coming back now.
Kind of harder.
So nice weather, very nice, very windy, very calm weather here. I like the view of the mountain there, the housing there, then the pond right down there. You see the pond? Then got playground right there. So now Rishal is riding the bicycle. Oh, it's a motorbike. One more motorbike is coming. Oh, there. Rishal is coming back. They will take turns. Only one bicycle. Or they will take turns. Earlier was Davi. Now Rishal. Rishal, say hi. Davi, what do you think? See something?
I think the bicycle is very noisy.
Because of the training wheels, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You all take turns.
Yeah.
That's good. See, it's time to sunset. It's so beautiful view right there now. So beautiful. But today it's like brighter because it's after rain. Look very nice.
I'll just be right back.
Oh, come I show you all my mango tree. I plant my mango tree. I have 3 mango tree here. This is the first one. It's already a bit taller. This is the second one. And this is my third mango tree. I don't know who threw the tin there. So this is a field. Actually, this is a field. Football field, but they never cut the grass because of the MCO. Now Davi's turn. After Rishal, now Davi. Davi, you're going to ride now. You can start right now. You can go. Be careful. The motorbike is coming. Be careful.
Guys, I'm sorry if the bicycle is too noisy for you all.
Guys, I love my Christmas tree. I love this tree so much. I just love. I wish I can decorate the lights around the tree. I think I'll decorate very soon. And this is one more tree that we can eat the leaves. We can fry and eat, or we can make some. We can put in the dal or anything. It's very healthy also. Very healthy leaves. This
My turn.
we can cook it. Very healthy. Now they take over, changing now. Davi is done. Now Risha's turn. Okay, Risha. It's very quiet actually here. No people because of the lockdown. Everybody is scared to come out, but sometimes kids can't stay in the house for a long time. Have to bring them out for exercise. Rish coming back. See, some people are still using masks here. Yesterday, the government already told whoever don't wear masks, they fine us 1,000 ringgit. So we are in the housing area, no problem. If we are out in public, we have to wear. We have to use the mask. And then Risha, you can go.
I need water.
You need water. Davi? Oh, Davi is drinking water. I think he's already tired now. Davi? You see? Okay guys, I think it's already done. We can listen the praying time also. So it's getting darker. So this is our short video for today. If you like my video, please.
Please like, comment, share, subscribe.
Okay then, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye. Bye Davi. Bye Rishal.
Bye. Bye. Bye.